Welcome, in front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad T495, and in this video I will show you how to toggle your webcam on this laptop. So, in order to toggle your webcam, you have to open the Start menu, then go to Settings, then go to Bluetooth and Devices section. Here, scroll down to Cameras, open this menu. Now open your integrated camera, and to turn it off, click Disable, then Yes, and to turn it on again, click Enable. Now, also be aware that your camera has a manual shutter, and to open it, you have to slightly move it to the right. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.